All right, Harbor Freight just released some new super coupons that are valid until March 22nd. So you do have a couple weeks to get them. I'm going to start off with a Hercules deal on the quarter sheet sander. This is 2.4 amp, 15,000 oscillatings per minute. Does have a 10-foot power cord and a soft start to it. It's only priced at 45 bucks, but you'll be able to save 22% on that, making it $35. And they have a deal on the Bauer 15 amp 7-inch angle grinder, 180-degree rotating body trigger grip. And this isn't only priced at 100 bucks. Well, at least in the store here it's 99 bucks. But according to the coupon, it says it's normally priced at 90, and the coupon price is going to be 80 bucks, saving 11% based on the $90 price. 20% if it's 99 bucks at your store. And the next deal is on the Hercules 10 amp 12-pound SDS Max type demo hammer. It does have a 360-degree rotating handle to it. It does have shock absorbing handle. It is normally priced at 270 bucks, and you'll be able to save $40 on that, making it $230. If you're looking to pick up the Bauer 20 volt 18 gauge brad nailer, it does shoot from 3/4 of an inch to 2-inch nails. It is tool only. Excellent deal price because it is normally priced at $120. 40 bucks on that, making it $79.99. And then we're running a pretty good deal on the Earthquake XT 3/4 of an inch composite air impact wrench. It does have 1,800 pounds of bolt breakaway torque. And it's rated at 6,000 RPM. It has a 3-speed regulator. It is normally priced at 250 bucks. And you can save $50 on that, making it 200. I'm going to show another deal they are offering in the store right now. It's to get a free Pierce 18 gauge brad nailer when you purchase the Fortress 1-gallon 135 psi oil-free air compressor. Air compressor price is 160 bucks. You get this brad nailer for free, which is a $50 value. They don't mention when it does expire, so if you're in the market for something like this, definitely get it before it's gone. And they have this Chief 1/4-inch straight air die grinder that's rated at 24,000 RPM. It does have a speed regulator and rear exhaust. It is normally priced at 50 bucks. But then how about saving 20% on that, making it $40? And they do have a deal on the Black Widow HVLP professional touch-up spray gun. It sprays at 1.0 millimeter tip size. It has a durable forged body. It's ideal for automotive spot repair. It's only priced at 130 bucks. And then how about saving $30 on that, making it 100 bucks? And they have a deal on the McGraw 3/8 reciprocating air saw. It does have an adjustable guard to it. It is normally priced at 28 bucks, but you can pick it up for $20, which is saving 28%. And the next deal is on the Merlin 3/8 by 50-foot heavy-duty retractable air hose reel. It is rated at a maximum of 300 psi. It does have kink-proof collar to it. It is normally priced at 100 bucks. And you'll be able to save $20 on that, making it 80. And the next deal is on the Merlin Pocket Blowgun. It has a twist nozzle to adjust the airflow to it. It does have the 1/4-inch quick connect fitting to it. It's only priced at 3 bucks. Then how about saving 43% on that, making it $1.69? All right, if you are getting value from this video, I would appreciate you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deal videos like this. I do have a goal to get to 50,000 subscribers, and as soon as I do get to that 50,000 goal, I'm going to be giving away 5 of these Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. So I have 5 of them to give away as soon as the channel reaches 50,000 subscribers. So help me get to there. It's a 52-piece set, the 1/4-inch drive of the sockets as well as bits. So a very nice kit to have and help the channel get to 50,000 subscribers, and I'll give them away. Now let's move to the next deal. And they have good savings on this Avanti airless 18.6 gallon per hour paint sprayer. It does spray unthinned paint and stain. You spray directly from the paint container, and it has a 25-foot hose with that as well. And it's rated for up to 140 gallons per year as far as its rating goes. It is normally priced at 250 bucks. But you save $50 on that, making it 200. And the next deal's on the Quinn 14-in-1 painter's tool. So these tools are great to have because it has multi-use in them, to where you can clean rollers and scraping and even a nail puller and a couple nut drivers on it. And most importantly, a bottle opener. Even in this one, it has the couple screw bits, a flathead and Phillips bit, and it goes into the end part of the handle there. This is only priced at 5 bucks, and you can save 20% on that, making it $4. And they have pretty good savings on the Badland Apex 12,000-pound winch with the synthetic rope to it, which is an 80-foot rope. It does include a wireless remote. It's rated at 31 foot per minute line speed. It also does include a premium hook on it. It is normally priced at 600 bucks, but you can pick it up for 530, which is saving $70. Next up is the Viking 250 amp engine jump starter. It's rated at 50 amp boost, 15 amp charge and 2 amp of maintain of 6 and 12 volt batteries. It is normally priced at $230, and you can save $30 on that, making it $200. And they have a pretty good deal on the Bauer 20 volt 0 to 160 psi inflator. It is tool only. It is normally priced at $30. You can save 40% on that, making it $18. And this inflator tool does include these different nozzles to it. They say it's ideal for car tires, bicycle tires, wheelbarrow, lawn tractor tires, and sports balls. One thing that I've heard about it is that it's annoying because you do have to continuously pull the trigger. You won't be able to leave it unattended while it inflates the tire, unlike the other inflators that they have. And the next deal is on the Bauer 50-foot compact drain cleaning drum machine. So it does have the 50-foot steel cable to it. It has a cutter set included. It does clear from 2-inch to 4-inch drains, and it fits in small spaces because it is a compact one versus the other one with a taller handle. This is normally priced at $300, and you can save $60 on that, making it $240. The next deal is on the Predator 3-inch 212cc semi-trash gas engine pump. It's rated at 17,400 gallons per hour. And it's able to suck up and remove up to 3/4 of an inch of solids. It does have an 85-foot max head lift to it, and it's normally priced at $400, but you can save $50 on that, making it $350. And if you're in need of a new sewage pump, they have this Drummond 3/4 horsepower submersible sewage pump. It's rated at 8,700 gallons per hour with a 20-foot max head lift and 2-inch NPT discharge. It also has a built-in cast iron housing, and it's able to remove up to 2-inch of solids. They have that normally priced at $260, but you can save $30 on that, making it $230. And they even have a deal on the Quinn 1/2-inch drive digital torque adapter, so you can turn your wrench into a torque wrench. It is rated between 25 to 250 foot-pounds of torque. It is normally priced at $45, and you can save 22% on that, making it $35. All right, the next deal is on the Pittsburgh 1/4-inch drive 21-piece high-vis socket set. It does come with both SAE and metric. SAE sizes ranges from 3/16 to 9/16, and metric from 5 to 14 millimeter. It does come on a rail, plastic rail it is. It is normally priced at $20, but you can save 25% on that, making it $15. And they're running a pretty good deal on the Pittsburgh 12-piece punch and chisel set. It has hex-shaped handles to prevent rolling, hardened working end, black oxide finish to resist corrosion. These are the chisels and punches that it does include, and they have the lifetime warranty. They're normally priced at $15. And how about saving 33% on those, making it $10? And it is a limit of 4. And next up is the Pittsburgh 8-piece pin punch set, only priced at $9. And you can save 33% on that, making it $6, limit of 4. And the next deal covers both the SAE and metric of the Pittsburgh 10-piece T-handle hex key set. They're each normally priced at $8. And you can save 25% on those, making it $6, and it's a limit of 4. And they do have a deal on the Doyle 9.5-inch crimper tool. They are normally priced at $17, but you can save 11% on that, making it $15, which I would suggest waiting for a 30% off deal if you're an ITC member, where you save the 30% on it instead. These are good crimpers. I do have them myself, and I've used them for different wiring projects for my golf cart. They do work pretty good. And they have good savings on the Atlas dual voltage battery. So it's rated at 2.5 amp hour at 80 volt or 5 amp hour at 40 volt. It is only priced at $140, and you can save $40 on that. There is a limit of 1 that you can get with this coupon, but you can probably go each day and get one if you needed, especially if you picked up any Atlas deals during the parking lot sale where you were able to save 20% off on all outdoor Atlas as well as Bauer and Portland. But they will be extending that sale this coming weekend for the parking lot sale, but you will need coupons for those deals, and you'll likely need a charger to go with the Atlas battery. They have an awesome deal on the one that's the regular charger. It's normally priced at $50 for that. You can save 50% on it, making it $25, and it is a limit of 2 that you can get with this one. All right, guys, I'm excited to announce that I recently launched my website offering different products on there. Currently, I do have t-shirt designs on there that are DIY and tool themed t-shirts. So if you're looking for a way to support the channel, you can do so by buying a t-shirt at DIYcrasher.com. I am working with a third-party t-shirt vendor that does fulfill the orders as well as makes the t-shirts. So it is based on the orders that they receive, and then they make the shirt and ship it out. I do really appreciate that support. And again, you can go to DIYcrasher.com and check it out periodically, as I will be adding more designs as time goes on, as well as different products. And I really do appreciate that support, guys. Thanks so much. And the next deal's on the Doyle 1-inch cut capacity steel bypass pruners. It even includes an extra blade. It even has a lifetime guarantee on these pruners. They're normally priced at 25 bucks, and you can save 12% on that, making it $22. If you do a lot of spraying around your property, they have this Greenwood 4-gallon home and garden backpack sprayer. It does have the hand pump off to the side, so when you're wearing it on your back, you can pump it up. And it does have a 66-inch hose. It's chemical resistant and seals and adjustable shoulder straps. It is normally priced at 30 bucks, and you can save 26% on that, making it $22. All right, the next deal's on the Hercules 4.5-inch Type 29 flap disc with the plastic backing and ceramic grain. They're normally priced at $11.99, and they do come in different grits. They have here the 36 grit, but they're out of stock currently at this store on the 60 grit and 80 grit, as well as 120. But these are all going to be included in this one deal where you can save 33% on that, making it 8 bucks. And it's a limit of 4. And the next good deal's on the Hercules 16-inch long spade bits that are 1-inch, 3/4, and 1/2-inch wide drill bits on the 16-inch long shaft. They do have the 1/4-inch hex shanks to them, so they're good for cutting into wood. So the 3-piece set normally costs 23 bucks, and you can save 26% on that, making it $17. And they do have the Hercules 3-piece 9-inch reciprocating pruning saw blade set. So 3 pieces of them 9 inches. They're 5 teeth per inch, good for cutting clean wood, roots, and branches. They do say it's a 60% longer life. These are normally priced at 10 bucks, and you can save 20% on that, making it $8. And they do have a deal on the Hercules 12 amp 1 and 9/16 inch SDS Max type variable speed rotary hammer. So you're able to select the dial to either do hammer drill, chisel, or drill only modes. It is normally priced at 230 bucks, and you can save $30 on that, making it $200. And the next deal's on the Apache 4800 series weatherproof protective case. It is normally priced at 60 bucks, and you can save 16% on that, making it $49.99. And it is available in 5 different colors: black, tan, green, orange, and yellow. So you have some options there. It's not the best savings because we've seen in the past like parking lot sales where they do 30 or 40% off on them. But if you have immediate need for it, it's better to save 16% on it now. And just a reminder for the ITC members, they are running a good deal on the Apache 3800 series. It's currently priced at 25 bucks, and it was 40. All right, if any of you picked up the 5-drawer US General cart during the parking lot sale, saving 25% on it. And now if you are looking to get a side shelf, which this is what the side shelf looks like, and they do have them available in the different colors as well. So pick whatever color you to match your box. They're normally priced at 25 bucks, and you can save 20% on that, making it $20. And it is available in all 9 colors. Okay, the next item, they are out of stock at this store. It's on the Bauer modular storage tote. They have it on sale for 20 bucks. It's saving 23%. It's normally priced at 26 bucks. And next up is this Maddox 11-piece disc brake pad and caliper service tool set. It does come in a hard plastic case to store all these pieces in, so if you do brake jobs, this might be a good pickup. It does have the 11 pieces. They're made of high quality carbon steel, and the tool there does rotate to turn the piston of the brake pads in, and they are held on by a little magnetic base there to it. Looks like a decent kit. And it doesn't have as many pieces as the Icon Master Brake Caliper set that was recently on sale during the parking lot sale, which this one is a 20-piece set, which has 17 carbon steel adapter plates. But this Maddox one is normally priced at 42 bucks, and you can save 28% on that, making it 30 bucks. And next up is this Icon Master Interchangeable Pullers set. So it has 64 jaw configurations, and this is what the kit does include of all the different pieces. It does have a 10-ton max pulling capacity. It includes all these different pieces to it: 2 jaw, inside pull, and outside pull. So you do many different things with it. And it comes with a lifetime warranty as well. It is normally priced at 225 bucks, but you can save $45 on that, making it $180. That's a good deal. And they do have another inflator option of a deal. It's on the Maddox 12-volt high-performance inflator. It does come with a storage bag, 3 nozzle adapters, a 24-foot coil hose, and heavy-duty connectors. This is normally priced at 150 bucks, but you can save $20 on that, making it 130. And the next deal is on the Pittsburgh 2-ton low-profile floor jack. It does have a max height of 16 7/8 inch and a minimum height of 3.5 inches. It does have the dual rapid pump to it and extra wide casters. It is normally priced at 140 bucks, but you can save $30 on that, making it 110. And I know some of you have been waiting for a deal on the Badland 1.5 ton 3-ton off-road jack. Well, they have one now, and this jack does reach of a maximum height of 28 and 7/8 inch and a minimum height of 5 inches. It does have nice durable wheels to it for the off-road capability, and it does have that extension there for lifted vehicles. This is a nice compact unit compared to the 3-ton big brother. This one is normally priced at $280, but with the coupon you can save $50 on that, making it $230. So it might be time to pick it up. And the next deal is on the Braun 1700 lumen flashlight. It does have a zoom to it, offers up to a runtime of 12 hours and a range of 530 feet. It has spot and flood modes, and you twist the end there to zoom in and out of. It does run on 9 AA Thunderbolt Magnum batteries, which are included, so it is not a rechargeable flashlight. It is normally priced at $23, but you can save 21% on that, making it $18. And I wanted to let you guys know there's going to be some new items coming soon based on these placards that they have on the store shelf. So it looks like Braun's coming out with a 13,000 rechargeable waterproof flashlight, and that's going to be priced at $90. And then Braun's also coming out with a 2200 lumen spotlight that's also waterproof, and that's going to be priced at $26. And then another Braun offering is going to be on the UV black light flashlight for $8. And they did recently add another new flashlight, which is this Braun portable folding LED work light. It's a 500 lumen one with a runtime of up to 14 and a half hours and a range of 90 feet. It has a 360-degree swivel hook for mounting, as well as a magnetic base, and it is rechargeable, and it's water resistant with IP56 rating, and it's priced at $22. And they do have a pretty good deal on the Doyle 6-inch cast iron hitch vise, so it can go into a 2-inch hitch as long as you have a hitch pin. I don't think it comes with one. It does offer the lifetime warranty on this Doyle vise, so this would be nice to put on a back of a truck or van with a hitch. It does have a built-in anvil there on the top part of the jaw, and it does weigh 30 pounds. And it offers a 7,700 pound clamping force. Looks like underneath the clamps, it does have like pipe jaws to it that are built into the clamp, and the jaw opening does go to 5 3/4 of an inch. This is normally priced at $120, but you can save $30 on that, making it $90. That is a pretty good deal on this. And they do have another vise deal on the Central Machinery 4-inch swivel vise. It does have a 4-inch jaw opening, and it weighs 14 1/4 pounds, and it's made of cast iron. Well, they don't have the price tag here, but it does normally retail at $40, and you can save 25% on that, making it $30. All right, that's going to be all the deals I'm going to cover in this super coupon video. If you gain any value from it, I would appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Help the channel get to 50,000 subscribers so I can give away those Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. I will have a link in the description below for the coupons, so you can go directly to the site and check them out and see what else is available, as I'm not able to cover all the deals in this video. All right, I really do appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.